Ultimate love. The Gents of the love part pull out their inner chef skill for the women they love. Hi guys, you're welcome back to Naija news and entertainment. The Gents of the ultimate love part are no strangers to big and beautiful grand gestures, but that doesn't mean they are done wooing over their lovers just yet. This Friday, as they began their final few days in the love part, Aunty gave the gentlemen a task just for them. This time he saw them being assigned to the grill, where they were to stir it up with some chicken, hot coals and delectable spices. Always wants to be up to the challenge, the guys hit the ground running and quickly found themselves deliberating what spices would pair best to create a culinary masterpiece. With the fire going, it was time to show off their inner chef, and they wasted no time letting the flow go. All the 5 of them took turns to flip the meat and ensure the heat was just right for their cushion in the making. In the end, the Gents made sure they didn't disappoint as they served up some mouth-watering magic in the form of perfectly grilled meat seasoned with a touch of love. Made us wish we could be at the dining table with them. We'd love to hear your views on this in the comment section below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.